Bharat AI Store, create AI agents. I think this is one of the best ways to start every company's, every individual AI journey. What we have done, the way we have created the Bharat AI Store, a marketplace for AI agents where any individual can come launch a agent. It could be a role-based agent or a task-based agent. So currently we have created a role-based agent. So what is your role and what do you do? Once you do that, once you tell that, the agent will do a lot of things for you. So similarly, now what you can do, you can actually create a store. Create a store, and name of the store can be your company name. Okay, so look at create a store, your community name, your company name. So that can be mapped to the DNS and it can be independent white labeled AI store. So for each AI store, what you can do, you can launch as many agents as possible. So if you look at RBI Master Directions AI Store, which is a very recent 244 Master Directions has been released by the RBI, consolidating the last 75 years of the Master Directions for various businesses. So if you look at now, this AI Store is very specific to the RBI directions. Any individual who wants to know what is happening at the local area banks, what is happening at the financial institutions and then payment banks, regional rural banks, they can come to this agent, they can interact with this agent, right? So what you can do is you can actually ask your company to create a store, okay, on their own name, like a Bharat AI Store. It could be TCS AI Store, it could be Infosys AI Store, it could be Telangana AI Store. And in the Telangana AI Store, you can launch agents. Now, each of these agents are powerful. They can do set of tasks on their own. So I want each one of you to explore in creating the stores and associating the agents with that. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask. But this is the ultimate you should try out.